Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Case Tech, where we handle everything techie. Now, like we did promise in our last video, for our next series of videos we're going to be talking about BlackMagic designs. Alright, now the last time we introduced you to a couple of connectors, converters and camera recorders, all BlackMagic design. And so today we're going to continue with that, talking about BlackMagic design. And today we are going to be introducing you to a BlackMagic Web Presenter. All right, a BlackMagic Web Presenter. Now, a BlackMagic Web Presenter is, in short, a streaming solution, a video streaming solution. Okay. Now, if you notice, some of your video mixers or switchers usually have just HDMI outputs for both your program and multi-view. All right. Now, if you want to stream these videos to your various channels, so your YouTube channel, Facebook Live, whatever the case may be, you certainly need these videos going into your laptop where you have internet connectivity or where you have your streaming software from where you can configure and then stream to your various social media pages, right? But your laptops do not have SDI inputs or HDMI inputs, which your mixers usually have outputs for. And so it becomes a problem getting your videos from your mixers to your laptop. All right. Now, how do you overcome this problem? That is where the web presenter comes in. That is the BlackMagic Design Web Presenter. That is where it comes in. The BlackMagic Web Presenter has the ability of compressing your videos, but yet still retaining that full HD quality. You understand? So it makes it possible for your weak internet connectivity to be able to stream your high quality videos. All right. So that is one of the positives of the BlackMagic Web Presenter. Apart from the fact that it is a middleman between your computer system, from where you can stream to your social media handles from your switcher or your mixers, that's video mixers or switchers that do not have USB output, webcam output. Those ones that have usually just SDI or HDMI outputs for program views. This is your middleman. All right. It is through your web presenter or with the aid of your web presenter that you can get your videos from your switchers or your mixers to your computer systems where you can stream them into your social media handles. All right. So apart from the fact that it is a middleman, we have said that the web presenter has the ability of compressing your videos such that your poor internet connectivity or poor internet supply can still stream high quality videos. Now, the web presenter is also designed with a monitoring screen. As you can see, the screen here. Now, when your video gets into the web presenter, you can preview it on the monitoring screen. It also has a sound monitor with which you can also monitor your sound volume. So let us go straight into understanding how to use the web presenter. Now, looking at the back of the web presenter, first of all, we have a power plug. All right, a power plug. Of course, this web presenter is designed to work for Europe, Asia, and Africa, as such it supports 220 to 240 volts of electricity. Okay, so you connect your power plug into the web presenter. Then, looking at the back, you can see that you have a USB port or webcam USB port. All right. So all you need to do is connect your USB down here into your system. It is through this port or from this port that you get videos from your web presenter into your computer system. Now, you also have your SDI in port here. So if your video mixer or your switcher is one that has program out SDI port, then of course you get an SDI cable and connect from your switcher or your mixer and then get it in to the web presenter using the SDI port. But if your mixer or your switcher is one that has an HDMI output port for program out, then of course you connect with your HDMI cable into the HDMI in port here. All right, so you have an HDMI in and an SDI in. All right, so you can get videos from your switcher or your mixer, your video mixer, into the web presenter using either the SDI or the HDMI port. You also have stereo in for audio. Okay, if you are getting sound, especially from a device or an audio mixer or cassette player, whatever the case may be, you can also get dedicated audio either using your stereo input here or your line or mic input. All right, your line or mic input. Always make sure you press down when you plug in or want to unplug. All right, press down. Now, that is basically how to connect the web presenter. All right, power plug in here, USB out here to your system where you want to stream from, SDI in from either your video mixer or switcher, or HDMI in. Either serves the purpose, okay, depending on the output port you have on your video mixer or your switcher. Special stereo in line for audio, or mic line in for audio. All right, and so once your power plug is connected, your web presenter comes on. Okay, there's also a USB port here. Excuse me. That's also a USB port here. You can also use that port. All right, USB connectivity. Now, once it comes in, excuse me. So once you get your video in from either using the SDI or the HDMI port, or both ends or both ports, your video displays here. All right. Now, the beautiful thing about the web presenter is that you can get two videos from two sources. All right, using both the SDI and the HDMI port, you can get two videos from two sources. Now, when this video comes in, depending on which is port one is always assigned as port 1 and the other as port 2. If SDI is assigned as port 1, HDMI will be assigned as port 2. If HDMI, you can always, of course, give that preference. Okay, you can give SDI port 1, give HDMI port 1, whichever you choose to be. Okay, whichever it chooses you want it to be. All right. So when your video comes in, if SDI is port 1 and HDMI is port 2, you can do some level of mixing here on the web presenter. All right, you can actually decide to stream or to have your source 1 here. That's, we've said if we choose SDI as source 1, you can always decide to have your source 1 streaming. When you press on 1, the source 1, if it's SDI that is source 1, is what will be streaming here on the program here and will be going to your system. Now, if you want to change views, all you need to do is simply press 2 and it switches to the other source. If HDMI is a source 2, it switches to the video coming from the HDMI port or from the HDMI cable. All right, so you can do some level of mixing with the web presenter using this buttons 1 and 2 to interchange views from either sources, either SDI or HDMI. All right, now you also have some level of tweakings. All right, you can actually alter settings using your menu. If it's video settings you want to alter, of course, you choose video, set to enter whatever you want to change, and then make your adjustments using the knob here. Okay, if you want to add the volume, you click audio, click set to enter volume, master volume, increase, decrease. When you're done, set menu to come out. All right, so there you have it, the BlackMagic Web Presenter. Like we said, it is your middleman between your mixers that do not have camera out USB ports, that only have SDI and HDMI program out USB ports. It is the middleman between those kind of mixers or switchers and your computer system. All right, it also helps to compress videos such that you can stream high quality videos on even weak internet. All right, so the web presenter is also very durable, it's affordable, it's a product of BlackMagic. Like you can see, like we've said or introduced, BlackMagic Design. All right, there's so much more to what you can do with the web presenter, how much of these settings you can alter with the web presenter on the web presenter. All right, so we want you to actually get these products, explore them, and then get back to us if you have questions. So if you have any problem, please feel free to use the comment section, all right, to send us your requests, your questions, and then we'll address them in subsequent videos. All right, now having gotten video from here using the USB port or webcam port out into the laptop, you can then stream from over there using Telestream Wirecast, Open Broadcast, Explicit, or whatever the case may be. Okay, you can use any streaming software to stream, or you can even stream directly into your Zoom account once your USB port connects to your system. All right, so there you have it, gentlemen and ladies. BlackMagic Design Web Presenter. If you have any question, please feel free to use the comment section, drop those questions, suggestions, and we will get back to you. It's a promise. All right. So once again, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course, refer to your friends. Okay. And remember, whatever questions you have on anything techie, drop them on the comment sections, and we'll get back to you. So till we meet again next time when we'll talk about another BlackMagic design, please stay blessed. Bye bye.